Many companies, especially small and medium-sized enterprises, fail to maximize the benefits of I+D+I tax credits due to a lack of awareness of this tax advantage. What is I+D+I? In Spanish, I+D+I is investigación, desarrollo e innovación, which translates to research, development, and innovation in English. These are key business concepts that combine innovation and the development of new products, services, and technologies to promote improvements and new products that enhance competitiveness in the market. Using this criteria at a consolidated level, the I+D+I tax credit is generally 25%. However, the regulation allows for a 42% tax credit when expenses exceeded the average of the 2 previous fiscal years. Example, in this year, you claim the I+D+I tax credit. What percentage would be applied? If it is a newly established company, would be the average of the 2 previous years, 0. What percentage would apply? 42%. Before calculating this type of tax incentive, remember that obtaining a binding result report to certify this transaction is optional, but we do recommend doing so through a third party, a certification body accredited by ENAC, Entidad Nacional de Acreditación for the Techno-Scientific Qualification, so the tax agency cannot later challenge say qualification. Steps to consider. Contact an ENAC accredited certification body, a national certification company that will issue a binding reason report. Once you have determined whether it is I+D or a technological innovation, contact the Ministry of Science. This binding reason report provides certainty and legal security regarding the techno-scientific classification. The tax agency cannot dispute the techno-scientific classification. However, the financial aspect, that is the quantification of the deduction, is what the administration can dispute. Finally, we advise against using economic interest grouping, EIGS, to claim I+D deductions. What do we mean by this? Many companies promote EIGS to obtain these incentives, which is strongly discouraged. These are very complex structures that have been abused by many taxpayers. These methods have recently become less viable. Therefore, while an I+D project can be very profitable because it offers substantial deductions, if the project is IT related, the deduction is much lower. In the next video, we will discuss tips for claiming deductions for an I+D+I project and the corresponding complexity of filing amended returns. Thanks.